Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nur Izzati binti Muhammad Rizal, metric number I181028112. Today I will talk about Chapter 9, Achieving Operational Excellence and Customer Intimacy, Enterprise Application. Subtopic 9.2, How do Supply Chain Management System coordinate planning, production, and logistics with supplier? First of all, we must know about global supply chain and the internet. Global supply chains are networks that can span across multiple continents and countries for the purpose of sourcing and supplying goods and services. Global supply chains involve the flow of information, processes, and resources across the globe. Global supply chain issue. Global supply chains typically span greater geographic distance and time differences than domestic supply chains and have participants from a number of countries. Performance standards may vary from region to region or from nation to nation. Supply chain management may need to reflect foreign government regulation and cultural differences. Second, demand-driven supply chain, from push to pull manufacturing and efficient customer response. Under the push supply chains, the logistics are driven by long-term projection for customer demand. For example, at the end of the summer season, clothing brands start to manufacture more warm clothes. This type of planning becomes valuable to companies as it helps plan them for events in the future and be prepared when winter comes. This gives the companies time to meet their need in time and also gives them time to figure out other logistics like where to store the inventory. And the last point in this subtopic is business value for supply chain management system. Supply chain management system enable firms to streamline both other internal and external supply chain processes and provide management with more accurate information about what to produce, store, and move. By implementing a networked and integrated supply chain management system, companies can match supply to demand, reduce inventory levels, improve delivery service, speed product time to market, and use assets more efficiently. That's all for today. Thank you.